Hi, this is Kumaresh from Department of Mechatronics Engineering. In this presentation, we see about the design process and its types. Before that, we have to know about the machine design. What is meant by machine design? Machine design is the creation of new and better machines and improving with the existing ones. And the newer, better machines is one which more economical in overall cost of the productions and operations. The process of your design is a long and time consuming one. From the study of existing ideas, a new idea to be conceived or is formulated. Then the idea is then studied and keeping in mind its commercial success and given shape and form in the form of drawings. After that, we can preparation of these drawings. We can utmost care must be taken from the availability of resource in money, in men and materials are required for these designs to complete the new idea into an actual reality. In designing machine components, it is necessary to have a good knowledge of many subjects such as mathematics, engineering, mechanics, strength of material, and theory of machines, on workshop process, and engineering drawing. So, what is meant by engineering design? Engineering design is the process of applying various scientific principles and techniques for the purpose of defining a detail in a product. In simpler words, the design is the formulation of the plan for execution towards satisfying the needs. Machine design is defined as to fix the dimensions for machine components. This is the steps we can follow in the design process. The first one is the need or aim, then synthesis, analysis of forces, material selections, design of elements, modification, detail drawing, and production. So first we can identify the customer needs, and afterwards the needs to be identified through the market research. After that, we can prepare the complete list of the technical specifications, then the collection of new ideas or modifying the existing idea. After that, we can analyzing the force acting on the components and the material for the components and the geometric dimension of the components. After that, we evaluate what are the possible success of the proposal should be verified from technical and economical standpoints. Then we can formulate the detailed decisions like its actual sizing and dimensioning of the all individual components which are used in this design. Next one is the prototype and testing. It may lead to some modifications. Afterwards only we can enter into the productions, the actual components manufactured at shop floor. Then what are the types of machine designs? There are three types. One is adaptive design, development design, and new design. In the adaptive design, the designer only makes minor alterations or modifications in the existing designs. Then the development design means it can modify existing designs into a new idea by adapting a new material or different method of manufacture. Next one is the new design. This type of designs need a lot of research and technical ability and creative thinking. Furthermore, with classification on design is rational design or empirical design, industrial design, and optimum design. Rational design means it depends upon the mathematical formula of principle of mechanics. Empirical design based on the empirical formula based on practice and past experience. And industrial designs depends upon the production aspects to manufacture. Optimum design is the best design for the given objective functions under the specified constraints. Next one is the system design. To develop a system that will meet the expected needs within the realistic constraints such as economical, environmental, social, and political, ethical, safety, and sustainability. And the element designs such as pistons, crank, shaft, and gear. Computer-aided designs, we can use the computer system to assist in the creation, modification, analysis, and optimization of design. So, what are the factors involved in influencing machine design? That is safety, reliability, quality, productivity, cost, ecological constraint, availability of main material and machines, working environment, energy conservation, and space constraints. So, what are the general consideration in machine designs are the types of load and stress caused by the load and the motion of the parts, selection of materials, form and size of the parts, frictional resistance, lubrication, convenient and economical features, use of standard parts, safety operation, workshop facilities, and number of machines to be manufactured, cost of construction. So what are the rules we can follow while designing the new component? The first one is that design should aim at the best with the least expenditure, and the components should have the adequate strength, wear resistance, and corrosion resistance. The assembly should be backlash free, resonance is to be avoided, and design should be simple, foolproof, easy to operate, and should reduce operator fatigue. The design should need only the minimum maintenance, and whenever possible the dimension of the component should be rounded up to the standard values. Thank you for watching this presentation.